Today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your collab. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on color ID, just click on it here. Then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just go down. So you come here to use or here you come here to set default AM app, and there can you select it. If you want to add WhatsApp or Telegram, then you click here on save to save it. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.